Hey my loves, welcome back or welcome to Raveena at Home. I'm Raveena Singh, a certified professional home organizer and home management consultant. I make these videos to reach out to as many people as I can in the hope that my content will help other homemakers use my tried and tested tips and ideas to make your journey more fulfilling and rewarding. I promote the art of stylish homemaking, and you can read more about it on our site. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. The one single thing that I have used throughout my homemaking journey are IKEA products. Let's take a look at some of the products I have been using in clients' homes and my own home. In 2017, I did an entire breakfast counter using IKEA organization products. Top to bottom, including the cabinets, were from IKEA. The Malm series in IKEA is probably one of the most versatile chest of drawers you can find out there. Although usually used as a dresser, these are super functional in many other areas of the house, such as the kitchen. Each drawer is perfectly sized to hold IKEA organization bins and boxes. This also works great to hold craft supplies and stationery. It's an inexpensive item, but it looks super acceptable in any area of your home. The easy to wipe white finish makes this one of my favorite IKEA pieces. Another very versatile piece is the shelf. These are floating shelves, so you don't see any hinges or brackets. I cannot even begin to list all the ways I have used this. I have used it in brown and in white many years ago, and continue to use these in some awkward areas as well, such as Zoe's room under the staircase. The smaller shelf can also be added to existing furniture as a decorative touch. The smaller cabinets are also ideal for smaller items. There is always something you can find to fit in any little space that you have. That's such an amazing space maximizer. We are currently using this as our games cabinet, and as you can see, it fits into this little corner. While in this corner, let me also show you another IKEA cabinet. This is our first aid cabinet. Like I said, IKEA cabinets are compact and very versatile. Personally, I feel IKEA furniture is not intrusive. It's like a wallflower that sits quietly doing its job. Another one that I love is the Pax series. We have used these in bedrooms as closets. The doors come separately, so you can choose to have an open concept, or you can buy the doors separately. Pax comes in a variety of sizes and depths, making it ideal even as a bookshelf. And of course, part of the charm is that you can add your own personalized touch to it. It also comes with a variety of accessories such as glass counters, pull-outs, and glass front drawers. You have the choice of whether you want it to stand out or blend in. I love my Besta. I find that the cubes here work very well to contain categories that you have created. Although the Besta too comes with the option of glass shelving, they also have half shelves, which I find very stylish. You can opt for glass doors to display the contents, or white doors to conceal them, such as a storage cabinet. IKEA probably has some of the most functional and yet affordable desks. Whether you require a glass top or a white counter with 4 legs attached, they have all the options. My Fave desk and home office series is probably Alex. I love the cord concealer and the sleek drawers. These drawers can hold a plethora of items, as these are pretty deep. You can also find yourself a comfortable armchair to match while you are at IKEA. I have to mention Hemnes in my list of favorites. Their beds are minimalistic and comfortable, but a word of caution is that their mattresses are slightly longer than our average mattresses, so be careful when getting your sheets. Hemnes also has a range of dressers, and I honestly find them very useful. These drawers come in 2 heights, so it can hold a variety of things in different sizes. Keeping these drawers organized with other IKEA items is also very functional because once again, their inserts fit perfectly. I love that I can keep bottles upright in the bottom drawer. If you get the dresser, which by the way comes in white as well, consider getting the bedside tables to match. These have 2 drawers and a sliding tray for smaller items. This is absolutely the perfect thing to have beside your bed. One touch that I added was that I changed the original hardware for something that I thought was more elegant. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen some of the different things I tried on this dresser. If you're not yet following, then head over to Raveena at Home on Instagram for more homemaking inspiration and tips. If you're going for a more minimalistic, masculine look, the brown of these clothes racks will also definitely have that effect. The Vitstro series in Ikea also has a wide variety of furniture. These are metal and glass and are great for a more masculine look. These, my loves, are my favorite Ikea cabinets and shelves. The one thing that you can be assured is that Ikea products tend to last very long. They are hardy, durable, and easy to clean, and that itself had me hooked to recommending Ikea products to my clients. Remember to rewatch this video the next time you head out to Ikea for furniture. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and until the next video, this is Raveena saying happy homemaking.